Hello students, today I will discuss about how to import Excel data into SPSS. So, first launch SPSS statistics software on your computer as shown in this video. In the meantime, open your Excel file. After launching SPSS software, double-click on it and open SPSS. This is the SPSS window. Close it and go to the File menu, then choose Import Data, and select CSV file, then choose your file and click on Open. Specify the sheet containing data if your Excel file has multiple sheets. Define whether the data has variable names in the first row. Finally, data is imported. Here we can see two windows, one for output and another for data sheets.
Thanks for stay with us. Subscribe channel for more tutorials.